Greetings, I'm Dev the Developer. This lesson is about validating HTML. We will look at why validation matters and how to use the W3C Validator and how to read the results it gives you. HTML validation checks your code against the standards published by the W3C. Browsers are forgiving. They will try to render your HTML even when it has errors. That sounds helpful, but it creates problems. You can write broken code, see it rendered fine in one browser, and then watch it fall apart in another. Validation catches those issues before they become problems. There are a few other reasons to validate. Well-formed HTML is more accessible. Screen readers and assistive technologies depend on correct structure to navigate a page. Search engines also prefer clean, valid HTML because they can parse a well-structured document more reliably. And practically, errors found early are faster to fix. A mistake caught while you were writing a page takes a couple of minutes to correct. The same mistake found 3 weeks later buried inside a finished project takes much longer. The W3C provides a free online tool for validating HTML. Let's walk through it. The validator offers 3 ways to submit your HTML. You can enter a URL to validate a live page, you can upload an HTML file, or you can paste your code in directly. For this demonstration, we will use the direct input option. Let's go ahead and see what it finds. The validator reports errors and warnings. Errors are the serious ones. They represent code that violates the HTML standard and can cause real rendering or accessibility problems. Warnings are less critical, but still worth addressing. Each result tells you the line number where the issue is found and a description of the problem. That line number is your starting point. When you get a list of errors, fix them from the top down. Errors can cascade. One unclosed tag can generate a chain of false positives below it. Fix the first error, revalidate, and the list usually shrinks. That's the goal, a clean validation result. It does not mean your page looks the way you want or works perfectly. Validation checks the structure, not the design. But it is a baseline you should be able to hit on every page you submit. There are a few habits that will keep you out of trouble. Always include a doctype, always close your tags, and always use lowercase tag names. And run the validator before you call something finished, not just when something looks broken. Run your HTML through the validator. It's free, it's fast, and it will catch things you missed. Feel free to try it out and don't just watch it, do it.